A simple way to improve your soil quality. Does your soil dry easily? Or, your plant is easy to infest with pests? If true, then the quality of your soil is not good. Good soil has a loose texture, easily absorbs water, and has various kinds of microorganisms in it. Soil that has a lot of organic matter in it usually has a color that tends to be black, which indicates that the soil is fertile and has lots of microorganisms in it. Healthy soil will make your plants healthy and have good resistance to pest attack. So if your soil is not as stated, chances are your soil is not fertile and has little organic matter in it. Therefore, I will show you an easy and inexpensive way to improve the quality of your soil. The first step: prepare your organic kitchen waste. You can use any organic waste such as eggshells, leaves, etc. Here I only have banana peels, eggshells, and some cucumber and onion skins. Then cut the waste into small pieces, like this. Prepare a container that has a lid. Here I use a used paint container. After that, put the trash that has been cut in the container. Then, boil the water until it boils. Hot water is used to make plant cells die, so that they quickly experience the decay process. You can skip this step if you don't want to do it. After the water boils, pour it into the container containing the trash earlier. Then, close the container and wait for it to cool. After it has cooled, remove the lid from the container and sprinkle it on the soil you wish to improve. The organic matter will decompose over time. The decomposition process is carried out by various kinds of microorganisms until they run out and provide nutrients for your plants. Over time, the activity of your soil microorganisms increases and the quality of your soil improves, so that the health of your plants is maintained. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this channel, please subscribe to get the latest videos notification from this channel.